In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Nano Banana Pro to analyze your skin health. Note, not medical. We'll walk through a clear, repeatable workflow to generate a polished, AI-guided before and after skin analysis graphic. This is for educational and cosmetic insight only and is not medical advice or a diagnosis. Always consult a qualified professional for medical concerns. Start by opening your Gemini account and signing in. Once you're in, look for the plus icon to begin a new session. This is your starting point for creating the analysis. Next, upload your image. For the cleanest results, use a forward-facing photo with a neutral expression, ideally in a simple black or white tank top against a light grey background. Aim for even, studio-like lighting and a high-resolution image. Keep accessories minimal so the skin is clearly visible. Only use your own image or one you have permission to use. After the upload finishes, paste a detailed prompt that tells Gemini exactly how to structure the visual. You want it to produce a hyper-realistic, high-resolution portrait in a 16:9 aspect ratio and to preserve the exact same person throughout, with identical facial features and natural skin and hair texture. Instruct it to create a split screen with a clean vertical white line down the center. The left half should remain completely unchanged from your original photo, with no edits, and include a subtle, semi-transparent facial analysis grid that follows facial contours without obscuring details. Ask Gemini to analyze only the 3 to 4 most noticeable skin concerns that truly appear in the photo, choosing from a set such as acne or blemishes, dark spots, enlarged pores and texture, fine lines, under-eye concerns, dullness, redness, dehydration, loss of firmness or blackheads and scarring. For each selected item on the left side, request a small label with a thin pointer line, a short title, and a percentage score from 0 to 100, indicating mild, moderate, or significant concern, with all text left aligned. For the right half, keep the same person but show realistically improved skin where those concerns are addressed. Include a right-aligned, concise list of actionable recommendations, like for dark spots, vitamin C serum daily, or for dehydration, hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Specify clean, modern sans-serif typography and a minimal, premium, futuristic aesthetic. When your prompt is ready, click Tools, then Create Image. On the right side, select the Thinking option. Press Submit, then wait patiently while it processes. Complex images may take a bit longer. Avoid resubmitting rapidly and remember to respect privacy and platform guidelines.